All right, everyone. So we just crossed over 10%. Show y'all right there. 10%. And we're about to throw it on the charger again. And the interesting thing is we got a nice low battery warning when they hit 10%. So now, let's put them on the charger and see how long it takes to charge up. All right, here we go. There it is. And I gotta say, guys, y'all can see there's the time, 12:59. So this was another charge that lasted over 2 days. And I'll throw up the charge completion so y'all see when it started. I'm gonna throw up when it ends. And I gotta say the battery life on this is really, really good. Hope you guys and gals enjoyed this real quick video. I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace. Real quick low light test for everyone as well. Let me know what y'all think. All right, have a good one. We're out of here. Peace.